Adobe has introduced artificial intelligence, AI, updates through its Sensei integration within Photoshop and Premiere Pro. Highlights: Illustrator for iPad comes along with Apple Pencil support. Fresco is now available for iPhone users. Adobe Max 2020 is aimed at bringing creativity for all. Adobe Max 2020 has been kicked off with an aim to bring creativity for all. Unlike the previous Max conferences, this year's event has started virtually owing to the coronavirus pandemic. At the event, Adobe has brought a list of updates to all its known products including Photoshop, Lightroom, and Premiere Pro. The San Jose, California-headquartered company has introduced new products including Illustrator for iPad and Fresco for iPhone to expand its reach and enhance creativity among mobile users. Adobe has also previewed a prototype of a content attribution tool under the Content Authenticity initiative that it launched at the Max conference last year. Illustrator for iPad. The biggest announcement for people looking for mobility solutions at this year's Adobe Max is the launch of Illustrator for iPad. The app is based on the core design capabilities that were earlier provided to desktop users. However, Adobe has tweaked the experience specifically for iPad users by adding support for Apple Pencil. There are also 18,000 fonts and new features including radial, grid, and mirror repeat to make graphic designing significantly easier on the iPad. Adobe has also brought a new recolor artwork feature for desktop users of Illustrator. This addition brings the ability to change color themes with just one click. There are also optimizations to provide a cross-device experience specifically for the users who want to switch between their desktop and the iPad. Fresco for iPhone alongside the Illustrator app for iPad users. Adobe at this year's Max has brought Fresco for iPhone. The painting app that was initially available for the iPad in September last year and debuted on Windows Touch devices at Max 2019 brings the same functionality that was earlier exclusive to the iPad and the Windows platform. Nevertheless, the Adobe team behind Fresco has redesigned the overall experience to make it available on the smaller screen of an iPhone. Further, Adobe has previewed the prototype of the attribution functionality that will be available to some beta users in Photoshop in the coming weeks and will be rolled out to other Creative Cloud apps in 2021. This functionality is aimed to help combat deceptive content manipulation online and give ways to people to help identify falsely created images and secure their creations from being abused by bad actors. Thank you for watching.
Audio Jungle.